Hi, I am Enamel Hawk and I am going to show you how to use the background eraser tool background removal, which works on the complex backgrounds or edges in Adobe Photoshop. The images having furry edges or hairy backgrounds are better dealt with masking method. At first in Photoshop, go to the Tools palette and pick the background eraser tool from there. When you pick the tool, the mouse cursor will change to a circle with crosshair in the center. Now, depending on the areas to be removed, you can change the size of the eraser. For that, press and key on the keyboard respectively. Next, press Shift plus for softer edges, and for harder edges, press Shift plus. We suggest going for harder edges for better results.